Does your daily cleaning routine include the use of basic personal care products? Products like toothpaste, mouthwash, and lotions that you use on your face, body, and even in your mouth. What if I told you that many of these everyday products in your bathroom include hundreds of untested chemicals, even some known carcinogenics? It's true, and a growing body of scientific research shows that even a small exposure to such chemical toxins is increasing your risk of getting numerous horrible diseases. So why do you continue to use these products and expose your family to these toxins? You're probably thinking, what other options do I even have? Well, you do, and that's why I want you to meet my friend Ray. Ray has a passion for all things natural. He has spent over 4 decades researching food and personal care products.
At first I didn't want to believe it, but time and time again, I've seen trusted brands compromising the ingredient integrity of their products just for the sake of profits, and all at the expense of yours and your family's health. And that's the reason I started Trusted Health Products, developing products with no chemicals and no additives of any kind. Our ingredients are straight from nature. We developed our secret sauce over 4 decades of research. It's a trade secret formulation technique that maps nutrient interactions within the body, and that allows us to determine just how much of and what kind of each natural ingredient the body needs to solve nutritional deficiencies, thereby unleashing nature's power. We call this our bioelectric mapping technology.
Because keeping your mouth, teeth, and gums healthy is often a doorway to overall physical health. The first formulation that Ray and the team at Trusted Health Products released using the bioelectric mapping technique was OraMD, an amazing tooth oil that is gaining an almost cult-like following with thousands of 5-star reviews and life-changing testimonials from professionals and normal folk alike. Time and again, our customers find that stubborn and painful mouth and gum inflammation that won't go away with other solutions simply disappear after a short time of using clinically proven OraMD.
Our customers love our products because rather than using chemical toothpaste, by using our natural, clinically proven product combined with good oral hygiene, they're finding some of their gum issues just simply disappearing over a period of time. People like OraMD because it makes your mouth feel really fresh and clean. It's like getting your teeth professionally cleaned every time you brush.
As a practicing holistic dentist, I have patients that seek my advice on different products that are safe and natural. OraMD is one of those products I recommend to my patients. It's been clinically proven to kill periodontal bacteria, and it's basically a 3-in-1 product. It replaces toothpaste, mouthwash, and breath freshener, and it simply works. My patients love it.
I've really loved using OraMD because it packs such a powerful punch for such a small product. I was just really surprised that you could take so few ingredients and really make such an impact.
So your options are pretty simple. Keep putting all those chemicals into your body or try OraMD today. Go to Trusted Health Products. Nature provides the best answer. 100% pure, all natural ingredients used to create the best health products.